Before we start, listen to this reference audio.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish you happy birthday, and sorry, not being truthful.
Now listen to this result audio.
Beneath the moon, I walk alone, listening to the night. I search the stars for distant dreams and memories of light. Then suddenly, the dawn appears, a golden sky above. Emotion, the darkness fades, the world awakes. Prosody, and fills my heart with love.
In today's video, we're taking a look at Higgs Audio V3, a powerful local text-to-speech model that can generate incredibly natural and expressive voices. It supports 100+ languages and gives you impressive control over how the voice sounds, including emotions, speaking styles, pauses, pitch, speed, and even sound effects. I'll show you how to install and run Higgs Audio V3 locally, connect it with SGLang Omni, and build a simple Gradio interface for generating speech. So if you want to create natural, multilingual, and highly expressive AI voices right on your own GPU, let's get started. Click the Hugging Face Space link in my description to visit main repo of Higgs Audio V3. You can read all its details and what this tool is capable of from this page. Good thing they also provided Hugging Face Space to try it and make it easier to install. To install locally, you need at least 6 GB graphic card, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Python 3.10.11, FFmpeg, Visual Studio. Git for Windows. I have made a playlist about installing these dependencies. Check it. Once you're ready, click on 3 dots at right top and choose Local Run option. Choose Clone Git option and copy Git clone code. Now go to drive or folder you want to have this installed in and type cmd in folder path. This will open a new command prompt window. Paste code you copied to clone Higgs Audio. Once clone, type cd space and go to clone folder, copy its path and paste in command window. Now create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Now upgrade setup tools. Now copy pip upgrade code and paste back in command window to upgrade pip. Now install PyTorch. First, make sure what version it is. Now go to main page of PyTorch and copy code matching your CUDA version. If you don't find matching version, just copy any code and paste in command window. Change CUDA version to yours and add Torch Audio before installing. After PyTorch installed, go to main folder, open requirements file. Remove Torch Audio from list and add spaces in Gradio and list, then save requirements file. Now in command window, run requirements code to install requirements. Once requirements installed, run main code. This will download acquired models running this first time. Once you see a local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch Higgs Audio. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now double-click this run file and use Higgs Audio. To use Higgs Audio, type text you want to convert to speech. For emotions, you can check main hugging face page. Now upload reference audio.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well.
Transcribe this audio. Try different seeds and tokens and click Generate Speech.
Beneath the moon, I walk alone, listening to the night. I search the stars for distant dreams and memories of light. Then suddenly, the dawn appears, a golden sky above. The darkness fades, the world awakes, and fills my heart with love.
And that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.